Hello there, Lake County Library. This is Christy Lewis from the Lakeport branch, and today we're going to be talking about a book haul of books for our garden book club. So these are all gardening books, and we hope that you will enjoy them. You can order any of these books for free using the titles of the books and the author names, which are listed down below in the description. If you go to our online catalog, you can order them to the library branch of your choice. Just make sure that we have your updated information, like your email or your phone number, so that we can contact you when the book arrives for you. And definitely check out our website because we have all kinds of really cool free resources there for you. So without further ado, let's jump into the book haul. First, we have The Self-Fed Farm and Garden by Eliot Coleman, which presents the self-sustaining system that the organic method was meant to be, rooted in soil healthcare. Coleman shows readers how they can shift to a model that continually recharges the soil with organic matter. Learn the classic techniques practiced by pioneers of organic farming, including growing green manure crops year-round and devising effective crop rotations. Next, we have Homesteading for Beginners by Lisa Lombardo. Learn how to raise crops and animals on your own land, even on a plot as small as 1/4 of an acre. No experience required. Keep your homestead manageable by assessing if a project works for your location, budget, space, and capabilities. Set accessible goals with handy checklists, planning schedules, and more. Homesteading for Beginners includes 30 homemade recipes. Next, we have The Regenerative Gardener's Handbook by Briana, Selstad, Bosch. Learn to create a self-sustaining garden that has a positive net effect on the environment. This guide will show you how to grow flowers, herbs, and vegetables while you revitalize the land. Enliven poor soil with simple low-cost techniques. Improve habitats for insect pollinators and birds. Reduce the presence of invasive species. Minimize your carbon footprint and use of plastic, and more. Next, we have The Goth Garden by Felicia Feaster. This illustrated plant encyclopedia features the history, myths, and lore behind 50 dark and unique plants, perfect for creating your very own spooky garden. From the Mangave Black Widow to the humble mint plant, discover the hidden stories, fascinating histories, and legends of unusual plants that bring a moody gothic vibe to your garden. Next, we have Fungi for Gardeners. Discover why fungi are key to a healthy garden and how to grow and eat them. Did you know that the world's largest living organism is a fungus? Or that without fungi, we would disappear in a mountain of dead leaves? Learn how to spot and manage unwelcome varieties and how to support the species that are beneficial for your garden. Next, we have The Money-Saving Gardener on Containers by Anya Lautenbach. The Money-Saving Gardener, Lautenbach, shows you how to create beautiful displays in pots all year round for less. Create color and interest in your garden every month of the year, from spring bulbs to paperweights that make meaningful and beautiful winter gifts. Repurpose everyday items, conserve expensive compost and water, and propagate plants for free. And our last garden book for today is The Beginner's Cut Flower Garden by Elizabeth Brown. This is the perfect book for gardeners who are dipping a toe into growing and arranging cut flowers for the first time. With thoughtful, step-by-step, seasonally inspired advice, beginners will learn to focus their vision, develop a cohesive garden plan, install garden beds, create arrangements with fresh cut flowers, and craft floral projects for every season. That's it for this haul. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed it. Let us know down below if you're going to order any of these books or if you have any questions, because we really love to hear from you. Take care until next time. Bye-bye.